Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove ink from Epson EcoTank printer. So let's get started. So what we'll need to do is have an empty bottle, and basically what we'll need to do is unscrew this. Okay, and I did it. And basically what we'll need to do is open your tank where your ink sits, this little tab, and you'll see these blue tabs right here where you fill your EcoTank. And basically now what we need to do is take the same color as your bottle. So I have cyan, and right here I have cyan, and basically put the empty bottle like this upside down. And now what we need to do is take your printer by holding this bottle like this down and turn your printer upside down, and all the ink will be going into this bottle. And that's how you will basically be able to drain the ink from the tank to this little bottle. So the trick, maybe what you can do is put a little tab or little hose on here and try by doing like that, like by turning the printer upside down and draining like this. But with the empty bottle I like the most. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.